Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to activate and use Virtual Cash App Card in any store. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a super useful feature if you want instant access to your funds. First, open your Cash App on your mobile device or log in through a web browser using your credentials. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Cash Card icon, which usually appears as a small card symbol. Tap on it to access your card settings. If you haven't ordered a cash card yet, you'll see an option to get a free cash card. Tap on it and follow the steps to choose your preferred design. Some styles are free, while others may have a small fee. You can also customize your card with colors, patterns, or even your cash tag. Once you're done, proceed to order the card and enter your mailing details. Now here's the important part. Even before your physical card arrives, your virtual card is available instantly. To access it, go back to the Cash Card section and view your card details. You'll be able to see your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV after completing any required identity verification. To start using your virtual card, you can add it to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. This allows you to make contactless payments in stores that accept it. For online shopping, simply enter your virtual card details at checkout just like a regular debit card. If you run into any issues, you can go to the support section inside Cash App and contact their team via chat for help with activation or usage. And that's it. So that's basically how you can activate and use Virtual Cash App Card in any store. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.